Hello everyone, welcome to another lecture of HTML and CSS. This lecture I'm going to talk to you about CMSs and WYSIWYGs. So what is a CMS? A CMS is a content management system and basically is a web application designed for non-technical users or beginners in coding to control or create a website. With a content management system, you'll be able to create a website in very short amount of time. You just grab a template, often provided by the CMS itself, and then you just put content on your website, and basically you can control everything with this program or this CMS. It makes your life easier when you want to create a website in a very short amount of time. However, CMSs have their side effects when it comes to speed and managing a lot of traffic. That's why Facebook or Twitter are not created with CMSs. You have to start knowing when you are on a website as an application, or you are on a website as a blog, or a static website, or portfolio website. Those are different things, okay? So Facebook, for example, is an application because it runs a lot of functionalities such as interactions between users, among other things. But for example, if you go to CNN.com, that's a basic, simple website. And also there are blogs with articles, which are very easily nowadays to create with CMSs. One of the most popular CMSs right now is WordPress, and I'm pretty sure you already heard about it. There's also Drupal and Joomla and a lot of other CMSs out there that you can use. But for now, I think the three most popular you can say are WordPress, Drupal, and Joomla. Anyways, you can go to Google and type top CMS, and you can click any link here, and these are articles where you can search for what a CMS does and basically a list of the CMSs or the top CMSs nowadays on the web that you can use. All of them are for free and are PHP based, which means they were created with PHP, and you will learn PHP later on this course. So you will be able to create your own CMS like WordPress, okay? As you can see here, each one of the CMSs have their own strengths and weaknesses. It's up to you to choose whatever CMS you want to choose. Now, you can create your own website without using any CMS at all, okay? There's a huge debate nowadays of using CMSs or not, but that's up to you, okay? I would recommend to learn the programming languages that you need to create your project or your application, and then you will decide if you need a CMS or which CMS would you prefer to use for your specific project. Okay? Obviously, everyone can use and create a website nowadays using WordPress or another CMS without knowing any XHTML or CSS code. But they will reach a point where they will not be able to expand or improve their website anymore. Okay, so for you guys that already know XHTML, CSS, and probably know JavaScript and PHP and jQuery, you guys will basically have the ability not only to create whatever website you want without a CMS, but you can even create your own CMS. Just imagine the possibilities when you finish this course and you know everything about web development. There's also another applications you can use to help you create websites, which are called WYSIWYGs. Okay, WYSIWYG is basically an editor just like Notepad++, but a little bit more complex and with a lot more features to help beginners to create websites. And one of the most popular WYSIWYGs out there is Dreamweaver, and I'm pretty sure you also already heard about it. So Dreamweaver is very good for people who are beginning with XHTML and CSS and want to create a simple website Anyways, you can always use Notepad++ or other type of editor. That's also up to you to decide. Just don't forget that Dreamweaver is not for free. You have to pay for it. So if you have any more questions, you can send me a message and I'll try to get to you as soon as possible. Okay? See you guys in the next lecture. Bye.